Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Boof. And I'm bored. I'm bored a lot. So, thought I might play with some art supplies and see what I can't get into. We recently purchased a heat gun, which I've had some relative success using, and I thought I might try my hand at using it on some canvas. So I have myself a wonderful array of crayons that I'm gonna get sorting out. Let's see what we make. So the ideas I've seen online have like the crayons still on the canvas, but I don't wanna do that. And I also don't wanna do like the raining pictures that everybody does. I kinda just want it to be an abstract piece, and I think I want to do it on a diagonal instead of straight on, so that it can be hung straight on, but I want the design to be on a diagonal. And what I'm going to try to do is drip going this direction in one set of colors, and then flipping it and doing the other direction in the other set of colors, so that they merge kind of along this center line. Makes sense to me. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, couple of thoughts. Number one, the gun is hot. The gun will burn. Please use caution. Number two, it's a mess. I made a mess. You'll want to cover everything within a 50-mile radius in paper. Third, color selection is key. I did not get the desired effect that I was looking for in my finished product. I do think it's unique, and I feel like if I had selected colors a little farther on opposite ends of the color wheel, it would have had a better transition between the blue and green into the purple and gray. The idea is nice. I've learned that you need to have some sort of tool to hold the crayon with, because as it gets towards the end, you burn your fingertips. Again, work smart. All in all, I enjoyed it. I think it's very unique. I would probably put a base coat on my next canvas instead of using raw canvas, but I think for a first try, it's not too bad. Guys, thanks for joining. Catch us next time when Lord only knows what we'll be doing. And from me and mine, have a great night. Bye. Maybe I should hang it up somewhere. Look at it for a while. Might change my mind. And I wonder if I can melt these crayons into something else. Hey babe, I need you to hang a picture for me.